Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's piece is quite a simple one. I thought of trying a different concept inspired by Dan's high-rise living. It's a little more colorful than I'm used to, but I think the black frames really help to enhance the colors towards the end. Originally, I had grand plans of painting the furniture and customizing each unit with their own quirks. But halfway through, I stopped to think if I really wanted to torture myself with such painstaking details, and the answer was no. Perhaps I have to learn that there could be beauty in simplicity, or either that I'm just getting a bit lazy. For this painting, I wanted to capture apartment living. In a dense city, you could very well just be staring into the next tower block right outside your window. Thankfully, I don't have an obstructed view which lacks privacy, but at the same time, people watching could be fun. It's crazy to think that at this time and age, one doesn't even need a binoculars to be spied on by your neighbor, and that a decent phone with a zoom will suffice. But anyway, what I was trying to get at is that every household tells a different story. Some are happy and others lonely. One could be living together yet distant, or another could be cohabiting in harmony under the same roof. I find paths bring the most warmth and joy to any home. I chose the daisy to represent the people, small, unsuspecting, humble and pure. This painting calls for a masking tape to get the straight lines. I'm not really sure if I like this painting, but at least I've crossed the concept off my painting bucket list, but I know I don't like it enough to sell it. It's quite simple and looks great on the wall with a black frame. I hope you like this painting. Hence, without further ado, let's begin.
I like it better, I do what it. Set me on the